Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to close wire. So you can go to parametric body and click new sketch. I will choose the top plan. So the next you can create by using the line tools. Okay, the fourth line. And now if you want to close the wire in here in this vertex, you can select from the left to the right, and then you can use the coincident constraint tools to connect between the vertex. You can select again from the left to the right, and then you can use the coincident constraints to close the wire. So another like in here, and the last with this vertex. Okay, that's it for a basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to close wire.